Mr. William, it says here in your file that you killed over 30 people in just one day. Is it true?
It is true, sir.
How did you do that?
While driving from work yesterday, 2 men crossed the road carelessly. I tried to hit the brakes, but it didn't work. I had only 2 options left, either to hit the men or drive to the other side where there was a group of people at a funeral. Sir, what would you do if you were in my shoes?
Well, I guess I would have hit the 2 men instead.
But that's exactly what I did, sir. But I managed to hit only one of the men. But the other one dove into the crowd, so I chased